What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix video recording not working in Narzo 17 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera and here you can Photoshop your camera. Now click on Photoshop and then again click on Photoshop. After Photoshop your camera, then click on storage usage and here you can clear the cache memory of camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on software update and here you can check the latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update the latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. To restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.